Hello everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. This is the LeetCode 75 study plan, and today is day 2 of this series, and today we are solving the greatest common divisor of this string, LeetCode number 1071. And don't worry if this sound confusing you, we will break it down step by step in a very beginner friendly way. So first let's read the problem statement. For two strings s and t, we say t divides s if and only if s is equal to t plus t plus t, means up to t, and t is concatenated with itself one or more times. So basically we are given given two string str1, str2. Return the largest string x such that x divides the both str1 and str2. So in a simple way, if I read the problem statement, in a simple way, if I say we are given the two string 1 and string 2, str1 and str2, and we need to find the largest string x such that x can be repeated to make the str1, like here abc, abc, and x can also be repeated to make the string 2, like abc, like here ab, 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 AB in the str2. So AB is that X value. And we, in a very simple words, if I say find the common base pattern that builds the both string. Now, how to think about this problem means means not jump to code. Think like this, like I have a string ABC, ABC, and in this string to ABC. Now ask yourself a question, that is, what is the smallest piece that will the both string? You may so the answer your answer is like ABC is the common and the smallest piece that will the both the string, right? And if in example 2, if I say and I say what is the smallest piece that will the both string, you definitely say A and B. AB is the smallest piece that will see both the strings, string 1 and string 2, right? But if no pattern exists, like in the example 3, I have a leet and the code. In this, there is no common repeating a unit, like no leet, not code, means it's a LeetCode. So first I have to check whether the pattern is like similar or not, like str1 plus str2 is equal to str2 plus str1 or not. Like if I say abc, 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 if I add string 1 and string 2, does they equal to the abc plus abc, abc equal to or not? This is the example number first. I just take the input here, and after that this string addition here, I get the abc, abc, and abc, right, as a normal string addition. And here also abc, abc, and abc, the same, the both the values are similar, right? abc, 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 and the similar to the left and right side. But if I check for the example number 3 value, I have the leet plus code, whether they are equal when I means just add the code plus leet. So they are not equal. Why? Because in the result I get the LeetCode is code leet, and they are not equal at any cost. Because if both the strings are made from the same base pattern, then joining them in any order should give the same result, right? And so our counter example like LeetCode for the fail case and the ABC for the pass case. So now understand the second most important thing is what is GCD. You see here the term GCD, the greatest common divisor. In the class 5th, you might be learn about some LCM or the GCD, the greatest common divisor, in the class 5th or 6th, I think, in the school, in your schooling. So here GCD is like largest number that divide both the numbers. Like I have example here 16 and 60. What is the greatest common divisor for the both the terms? how can I find? Just use the base term, the school term, the childhood, your memories, like in the school, third, fourth class, you learn this pattern. Just divide the 60 by 16, and you get the remainder here. Just means modulo operator we use in the term of the programming language, and I get the 12 as the modulus. Then again, I just take out the 16 here and divide the 12 uh, to the 16, and I get the 4 as the remainder. And then again I just divide the 4 to the 12, and I get the 3. Means we have to do this division ladder until the our remainder is the 0, and that the value here is the 3. The 3 divides the both the things, the 60 and the other both the, right. So means the 4 is the means the 4 is here is the answer for this, means 4 for the 16, and I can divide this 60 also. So this is the how we can find the GCD in the math term. And same we have to apply this math pattern, this division ladder pattern, into the programming language. We have to just do something like just convert this math problem into here programming language. So for that we need the two string str1 dot length and str2 dot length, and if the base pattern must fit perfectly into both string. So for that, first we have to write here if str1 plus str2 is not equal to str2 plus str1, then return the string. This is the base pattern. Like if this lead plus code plus lead is never not equal, so we have to return the empty string, no matter whether they are what is the length and other thing, just return it. So let me run this just for the safe case. Yes, it passed this one, and the same for this case number 4. They are not equal after the addition. Now we have to find the GCD. For that I need the length of the both string. So length is equal to GCD and str1 dot length str2 dot length. I get the both the length here. Now I have to write a separate function. You can write here also, but I am just writing a separate function for the simplicity. GCD is equal to, it's take the two values a comma b, or two length, and we have to run it. This function, this division ladder runs until this is 0, and here this is like 0 is like here the b, and start a while loop. For the ladder we always use the while or for loop, right? If b is not equal to 0, do the division method. I just store the temporary variable for the b value, because that's here b, a is the 60 and 16 is the b, and I store here this temporary value into temporary value y, because I have to use in the second part, like here I have to use here instead of a this 12 I use instead of this one. So that's why I just store them into the temporary variable so I can use it. Now just apply the modulo operator here, and a equal to temporary, because I just I have to copy them into the here, and if I have to apply the modulo operator, I get the 12, and then I just again run until the b is equal to 0, and then if b is equal to 0, then return the a value here. Here a is the return the 8. So and in last I get the that value here and return the str1 dot slice, means I get the GCD of the both the numbers. So means that GCD is like I get the 3 here uh, for this example, and just cut out that this string from this str1, or you can also try to str2 also, there is no issue with that, from 0 to length, and you will get the answer. Yes, I get. Let's try to submit the solution. Yes, it passed all the test cases, and 128 test cases are passed, and our solution beats the 0 millisecond 100%. So how to recognize this pattern? Whenever you see this string with the repetition, like here AB, 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 and ABC, ABC, all these things, like word like divide, repeat multiple times, is there think like is there a common base pattern? Can I use the GCD or on length? So these are the means patterns for this. And this problem is not just about the string, it teaches you how to combine the pattern recognition and convert the math problem into the programming language, how to use into the programming language, convert in right into the programming language, like math GCD formula. Like in mathematical we just write the division ladder, I just write here the while loop for the same case. And this is efficient thinking. If this made the concept clear for you, make sure to like the video, and if you are following the LeetCode 75 series, don't forget to subscribe to JDCodebase and stay consistent. We are solving one problem daily and building the real understanding. See you in day 3.